If you want to enhance your Gmail security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is secure and up to date. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Review your devices. Scroll down to the Your Devices section. Here, you will see a list of devices that are currently signed into your Google account. Step 4. Select a device to remove. Click on the device you wish to remove. A pop-up will appear with details about the device and an option to sign out. Step 5. Sign out of the device. Click the Sign Out option to remove the device from your account. This action will lock the device out of your Gmail and enhance your account's security. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Gmail security settings, keeping your account safe.